close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through.
Oh, my wake up, Jaja. Come face look, man, say, oh, my car blow me away. Cover your mouth, cover your mouth. What me tell you, say, lock your mouth. Me a turn so, me stress out, school has stress me. Me have man stress, me have the Come stress out, face look sour like lime juice. Oh, God, yeah. So, what you do now? Tell me, where you go? How you give body eye? Yeah, brush your teeth. You brush teeth? I never know say brush teeth. Yeah, like she don't know what to do. Oh, God. Yeah, brush it. Yeah, me general. Yeah. Yo, brush your tongue. Brush it good, you know. Brush your tongue. Myself brush it good, little girl. Yeah, grown. Yeah, grown. Alright. Yeah. Full of vibes. Dance. Dance let me see. Dance let me see, no? Watch her. Me lick you, no? Dance let me see, little girl. You don't brush your teeth yet? Why not that so? I watch you now. What else? Yeah, show me. Let me see it now. Alright. Yeah, teeth clean. What else? Watch her. Yeah. I want my car blind me. Yeah, teeth clean. Yeah, sure. I want my car there face so. Yeah. Face cool and thing. Mad of them boy when me touch out. Them boy mad when me touch out. Yeah. Me say stop put your hand in my face. Yeah. What you do now? I want that. Wait. I want that tear up by your face. Hello, yeah. Me last. Tell me I want now. Watch her. Besides if you talk pitney. Then something I'm not like, you know. Watch her. So you done rub, let me know when you're done. Let me know when you're done rub. Load the bleaching. Leave the bleaching cream alone. Stop putting your hand on my face. I want to load the bleaching, myself. Load the bleaching thing, no my God. Leave the bleaching thing. Watch I still a rub on. Them something I can't bother with, you know. Watch him. Me love you make it the way you do, cause them send you a pitney and a ear and then I listen when people talk. Watch her. Watch it. Yeah, love me pose that one. Yeah, there you have a face. See it look? Move it towel na pitney. Move it towel. Yeah. Alright. Oh, your hair looks so pretty. Face cool. Oh, shit. Yeah. Yeah, I do my ear, you know, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna do my hair right about now. But it stink, man, like it wanna wash. Something do it, man. Oh, it have that 10 days, can be water smell like. Something do it. Oh. But my hair tall still, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna put in there now. Yeah, I brush it both sides. I brush my ear right now, guys. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna watch my brush my ear. Although it smell a weird still, I wish I could have smell it, but it smell a weird. Kinda stink. You see me, guys? I want that I put in the black something there. Oh, a eco gel. I said name. A eco. Okay. I put it in my ear. I rub it in my pitney. I say put it in your ear. Where you alright? Yeah, go and brush it. Don't put your hand on my face again. Yeah, rub it now your ear. Let me see. Alright. Alright, tata baby. Alright. Rub it now your ear. Rub more now. Rub more. You see what me like? Alright. You listen to me I say rub more. Yeah. What else? Yeah. Me I rub more, you see me guys? Yeah. Just look on my ear. I'm nice bad. Look how I'm nice. Oh no, yeah. Rub more. Let me rub some more, you know, guys. Look how I'm nice bad. So I make them boy I'm mad. Oh shit. Yeah. Take your hand out of my face. Alright, catch it up in a one, you know. Yeah, brush it back way so it neat. Now there's no edge to this, so just catch it back way, make it neat and flat down, you see me? Yeah. Catch it up, you know. Yeah. Where you let it go for? Yeah, brush it good. No one of them grudge your fear. Yeah. Yeah. Like you do it what? You're looking at a glass by your pretty face. Come pretty me nice bad. Yeah, catch it up you know. Pass it Scooge. Yeah. And a Scooge. How was that name? Yeah, neat. See me here neat guys. You have to brush it well. So it lie down, you see it? Lie down like them girl. So you have to brush it neat, yeah. Use the Scooge you know. What may I do with it now? What may I do now? Alright, may I catch it up one more time. What may I do with it this morning, guys? May I burn it or what may I drop a dumpling? One of them big caramel dumpling there, what may I drop in it? Alright, we just drop one little. What that name? Anyways, whilst brush it again. So it neatly lie down. You see me if you get to me and say guys, yeah. Brush it again and again. I saw now have to do it here, girls. Brush it again. Yeah, looking at me nice, man. Could I? Alright, I'm telling you something nice. Yeah. Yeah. So I use my little toothbrush I'm using on my mouth. And do it good as it. Kinda make it neater. The toothbrush I use brush my teeth like a while. Yeah. Show off on them eye on a girl. Yeah, you. Yes, you're happening. Yeah, you're happening. Yeah, so, oh, me had the milk edge this morning, guys. So, you see me? Me had the milk edge this morning, so it need to see it. Don't judge me if you know, you know? Me had the milk edge, you see me, guys? Yeah. What else? Me hurry up do this. Hurry up see it. Yeah, you're coming nice. Yeah. Looking at, yeah, could. Yeah, oh shit. Yeah, so what else? Well, if no, look like me done. Yeah, but that side don't look good. Look like me done, man. Me done, you know. Look like I'm finished. But me and now cork that. Me cork that. Who watch a video you want some for putting on their ear? Alright, so I'm done do my ear, you know, guys. Show off on a girl. Oh, my time up. I'm out.
What's up, guys? You've now made it to the end of the video. And yes, go subscribe to my friend's channel, ZINO TV. And if you guys like the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like up the video. Make sure to subscribe. Me and asking you. Yes, you. Is it? If you want a part 2, just comment down below and tell me that you want a part 2. And you guys will be getting it. Thank you. Mwah.
Glass, cock by nobody, I got that.